Next one, seventh problem. Calculate the diagonal of a square whose each side is 9 meter. See, this is a square and their sides are given as 9. See, you know that in a square all sides are equal. Okay, so again we have to draw a diagonal because we have to calculate the length of the diagonal. So here also it forms a right angle triangle. If you draw a diagonal of this square, again it makes a right angle triangle. See, in the previous problem they are given as a rectangle, and in the seventh problem they are given a square. So we have to calculate the diagonal of the square. See, some children will get upset by seeing the problem itself. See, they'll think they are given a square, they are given a rectangle, but we have studied only about the triangle in this chapter. Then how we are going to, we'll find out the diagonal. Everything will come around the mind. Okay, don't bother. Just by drawing this diagonal, we will get a right angle triangle. Okay, children, and after that we have to do it as usual by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So first of all, we'll write by Pythagoras theorem. Just name it as A, B, C, D. Okay. So AC is we have to find out. Let it be x. Okay. So AC squared is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. BC square. So AC is what? We didn't know, that is x squared, and AB squared is 9 squared, and BC is also 9 because it is a square. Obviously all the sides are equal in a square. So the AB is 9 squared and also BC is 9 squared. Okay, children. So x squared is equal to 9 squared is 9 into 9, 81. Here 9 into 9, again 81. So 81 plus 81, we will get 162. Okay, so x squared is 162. We have to find out the x, then it will become square root of 162. So here you have to calculate the square root. So for finding out, you just I am doing it by prime factorization. Okay, so I am dividing it by 2. I will get 8 and 1. It won't go in second table, so it is being an odd number, I can go by 3. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 and balance is 21. So 7 3s are 21. Again I can do it by 3, so it will get 9 3s are 27. Again by 3 I will get 3. This one. So we are getting 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? You should write it inside the square root. Okay, so there is no pair for 2, so the 2 will be just like root 2, and 3 into 3 I can take one pair, I can take 3 outside, and for another pair I can take another 3 outside. So I will get root 2 into 3 3s are 9. So I am getting x is equal to 9 into root 2. Okay, so this is our diagonal of the given square. 9 root 2, any meter or centimeter, they are given as meter. So 9 to root 2 meter. This is the answer. Okay, children, do you understand? See, if any number is separately it is there, then you have to take it with the root. You should not take out the root and you can just write it as 2. Okay, if there is a pair, then only you can take one number outside the square root. If there is no pair of 2 or any 3, again if one 3 is there, means again you have to write it inside the square root. Okay, children, so that's why I have put root 2 here, and I have taken 1 3 for one pair. Okay, and another pair for 1 3 outside. Do you understand, children, how we have to find out the square root? Okay. Next we'll see the 8th problem. See the 8th problem. How much shorter is to walk diagonally across a rectangular plot which is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide than along two of its adjacent sides? See, they have given a rectangular plot, okay, so and the length is given as 80 meter and the width is given as 60 meter. And also we have to draw a diagonal, because what they are asking is, see, if you use this route, this diagonal to reach here, how shortly you will reach there than if you use this route by their sides. They are asking along two of its adjacent. If you go along with this side, using this side, how shortly you will reach there while you use this diagonal. Okay, see, in daily life also, your mother or father will ask you to get something from a shop, or sometimes you will say, no ma, I will go by that way, that is a short route for that shop. So like that you will say, no, just like that they are asking, if you use this diagonal, how shortly you will reach there than using this route. This route they are asking how shortly you will reach from A to C. Okay, so for that also, here see, this if we draw a diagonal, then again it forms a right angle triangle, right? See, it forms a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, here also we have to find out this hypotenuse, that is AC. Let it be x. By Pythagoras theorem, see, by Pythagoras theorem, AC squared, that is hypotenuse AC squared is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Am I right? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC squared is what? X squared. AB squared is 80 squared plus BC squared is 60 squared. So 80 into 80 will get 2 zeros and 8 8s are 64. So 6400 plus 60 squared is 60 into 60. 2 zeros will be there. 6 6 are 36. Okay. So 3600. So 6400 plus 3600 will get 0 0 0 10,000. So x squared we are getting as 10,000, right? So if x squared is 10,000, x is square root of 10,000. Am I right? So see here, 1 2 3 4 zeros are here. So for the 4 zeros, 100 into 100 will make 10,000, right? Otherwise shortly you can write, if there are 4 zeros you can write, you will have to take it out only 2 zeros. Okay, so then you can write it as 100 centimeter or meter, meter. Okay, x is equal to 100 meter. See, this is not our answer. We have just found out what is this length of the diagonal. Okay, but they are asking how much shorter is to walk diagonally. See, this is the question, how much shorter is to walk diagonally. So we have found out, after finding this x diagonal, we will have to subtract from the sides. So then only we will know how shortly we can reach from A to C. So sum of the sides, first we will add the sides. Sum of the sides are 80 plus 60, that is 80 meter and 60 meter. So we will add this thing, we will get 140 meter. See, if we go by using this way, it will be 140 meter length. But if we use this diagonal, then it will be only 100 meter length. So we have to subtract from this sum this 100. Okay, so 140 minus 100 will get 40 meter. So our answer is 40 meter. So by 40 meter shorter we will reach this A to C when you use this diagonals. Do you understand, children? First we are finding out this diagonal, and after that we have to add the sum of the other two sides of the rectangle. So then only we know how shortly we can reach by using this diagonal. So after that, this diagonal you should subtract from the sum of the two sides and you will get an answer. That is the answer for this question. That is 40 meters shortly we can reach. By using this way we will take 140 meter, but if you use this way we will take only 100 meter of length. See, if they ask the diagonal means you have to find out up to x is equal to 100 meter by using Pythagoras theorem. But if they are asking how much shorter or longer you have to go or to travel like that, first you have to find out this diagonal, and after that subtract this diagonal from this sum of two sides. Okay, children, I hope you all understand these all 8 problems in this 10.4 exercise, and I am concluding this session here, and I will meet you in the next session. We'll start by doing the 9th problem in the 10.4 exercise. And if you have any doubt in all these 8 problems, don't hesitate to share your doubts in the comment section, and I'll try to clear all your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe our Wondermax channel and also share it to your friends. Take care.